Hi guys, it's Mariana from Spotahome, Ixelles, and today I'm going to visit with you a studio to Ixelles. The studio is located in the border of Uccle and Ixelles. You're not far away from the Place Flagey, who is a famous place where you can find restaurant, cafe, and supermarket and public transports. Of course, you have a bus stop like 7 minute by walk from here. So yes, it's a really cute apartment. So I'm going to show you everything now. So this is the entrance. It's like this. Okay, so this is the door, and the studio is like this. Wait. So you have a single bed in here. A single bed in here, and you have a wardrobe down of the bed where you can slide and put your furniture. You have two. You have another one in here. Okay, you have a little fridge in here and a freezer section. You have a shelving, a desk, and this is the kitchen area. So you have an oven with also a microwave. Up in the sink you have chest of drawers with some cup and glasses inside, and in here you have some plate. Down of your sink you have more spaces, and you can open it like this. Yep. See? Okay, and now I'm going to show you the bathroom, and it's like this. Yep. So you have the sink in here. You can open it, I think. Yes. In here you can put what you want. You have a mirror, you have a toilet, and a shower just in here. Oh yes, voila. Voila. So this is it, guys. I hope you like the visit. I hope you like the studio, of course. And me, I'm going to see you in another video with Spotahome. Bye bye.